Hi, this is Rakesh and you're watching Royal Technology. In this video, we will show you how you can diagnose your Lenovo laptop if you are facing any hardware issue with any particular device. So first, restart the PC and keep on pressing enter. You will see this screen over here. You have to press F10. So once you press F10, it will take you to the hardware diagnose window, and over here you can one by one diagnose your devices like storage, battery, display, keyboard or CPU, or other options are also there. Or if you want, you can diagnose all the devices. Maybe if you are facing the issue with the storage, so you can diagnose only the storage. That will save your time. So for me, just for the testing, I will run all, and then over here we have quick and those options. So quickly I will do it. So as you can see, it is started quickly. It will check all the devices and show the results over here, whether the device is working or not and what is the issue in that particular device. Maybe you need to replace those session also, you will see here. So if you have any doubt, or if you have any particular Lenovo model or any other laptop also, if you have any doubt, you can comment below. We will reply to all the comments. If you are new to our channel, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.